Students, today we are going to revise the chapter decimal. We have already done this chapter, isn't it? Now we are going to learn how or revise how we are going to add. So the question is, find the value of. And question is 37.55 plus 0.396 plus 5.002. So we are going to add it up. First we will write 37.55. okay. Next onwards we will first write the point. Then we will see what is on the right hand side. It is on the point's right hand side, it is 3, 9 and 6. On the left hand side it is 0. Write it accordingly. Next, the next number, first write the point and then we will see what is on the right hand side. It is 0, 0, 2. On the left hand side it is 5. Now the leftover portion, which is nothing is there, where nothing is there we will write 0. Okay. Now we are going to add it up. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1, 9. This point will be here. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 42.948. Clear, students? Now let us do one more sum. The question is 0.0015 plus 35.125 plus 132.49. Just like the above sum, we will write it. First write the first number. It is 0.0015 written. Now see the next number. First we will write the point and then we will see what is there in the right hand side. It is 1, 2, 5. And what is there in the left hand side? It is 35. Okay. Next, see the next number. First we will write the decimal. Then we will see what is there in the right hand side. It is 49. And on the left hand side it is 132. It is very important to see that where you are writing the numbers one after the other, it should be synchronized nicely. Now the leftover portion we will write 0. Here nothing is there, so we are writing 0 over here. Here also nothing is there, we will write 0. Here also 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here 0. Okay. Now it is going to be easy to add them up. Here 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 over here, 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And then a decimal. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1. So the answer is 167.6165, and that is the answer. Clear, students? Now let us do one more sum. The next sum is rupees 35.75 plus rupees 12.25 plus rupees 5.50. So we have to do what? We have to add them up. So accordingly, see, notice one thing, in everywhere it is rupees. The unit is in rupees. So no need to change anything. We can add them up. So it is, we are simply going to write the first digit. It is 35 rupees 0.75. Then remember, first put the decimal and then see what is there on the right hand side. It is 25 and on the left hand side it is 12. Okay, then see the next digit. First write the decimal. Next see what is there in the right hand side. It is 50. So write 50. And what is there in the left hand side? It is 5. And here there is a gap, so we will write 0. Clear, students? Now we are simply going to add it up. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 1 over here, 5 over here. Just below the decimal, we will give decimal sign. Here, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Plus 1, 13. So, 13. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. So, it is rupees 53.50 paisa. And that is the answer. Okay. Now, see the next one. Next question. It is 2.54 centimeter plus 16.46 centimeter plus 5.25 centimeter. Here also everywhere it is, the unit is centimeter. So we can add it easily. So first we will write the first digit. It is 2.54. Okay. Next, first write the decimal and then see what is there in the right hand side. It is 46 and the left hand side it is 16. So write 1 over here, 6 here. Next we will add. First write the decimal, then see what is there on the right hand side. It is 25 and the left hand side it is only 5. So here there is a gap in this place. We will fill it up with 0. Here also there is a gap. We will fill it up with 0. Okay. Now we are going to add it up. 5 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So it is 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 1, 2. Just below the decimal, you will write the decimal. And then we are going to add 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 and 4. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 24.25 centimeter. Okay, students? Now that your addition is clear, we will do with subtraction. Let's take up a sum. Sum is 7.5 minus 3.25. Okay, so we are going to subtract. First we will write the bigger number, obviously. It is 7.5. Okay, then put a decimal. Always first start with the decimal, then see the right hand side. It is 2 5. And here on the left hand side it is 3. So put 3. Again there is a gap in this place, so we will simply put 0. Clear? Now we are going to subtract. Now that we have only 0 over here, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we have to borrow. We have to borrow from 5. So if I borrow 1 from here, it will give 1 and make it 10, and this will be 4. Clear? Now 5, if subtracted from 10, it will give you 5 again. 2 subtracted from 4 will give you 2. Then put a decimal. Now 3 subtracted from 7 will give you 4. So the answer is 4.25, and that is the answer. Clear, students? Let us do one more sum. It is 325.272 subtracted from 42.38. Now let us write it first. First we will write the first digit. It is 325.272 272. Then put a decimal, and then on the right hand side, see what is there in the right hand side. It is 38, and on the left hand side it is 42. Clear? The places where there is nothing, we will put a 0. Simply we will put 0. Okay. Now we will subtract it. If we subtract 0 from 2, it will give you 2. Now 8 cannot be subtracted from 7. We have to take a borrow. So what we are doing is taking a borrow from the previous number. So if I take one borrow, it will make 17, and here it will be 1. So 8 minus 17 will give you 9, and here it is 1, and here it is 3. So we cannot deduct 3 from 1. Again we have to take a borrow from the previous number. Okay, we are taking borrow from the previous number. So we are cutting 5, so it will be 4, and if I give 1 over here, it will make it 11. So now we can subtract this 3 from 11. If we subtract 3 from 11, it will give you 8. Now put the decimal. Just below the decimal, put a decimal. Now if I subtract 2 from 4, it will give you 2. Now see, here it is 4, and here 2. We cannot subtract 4 from 2. That means I have to borrow from this 3. If I take 1, it will make it 12, and here it will be 2. Now if I subtract 4 from 12, it will give me 8. And if I subtract 0 from 2, it will give me 2 only. And the answer is 282.892. Clear? See? Let us do few more sums. It is 345.02 meter minus 58.37 meter. Here again both the units are in meter, so we can subtract it. First we will write the bigger number. It is 345.02, and then we will put decimal and write what is there in the right hand side. It is 37. Then on the left hand side it is 58. Okay, now this place is missing again, so we can put 0 over here. Now we will subtract. Now again if we see, we cannot subtract 7 from 2, so I have to take a borrow. Again here it is 0, so I have to take a borrow from here. Again it is 5, from which 8 cannot be subtracted, so I have to take borrow over here also. And here again it is 5, bigger number on the lower side, so I have to take borrow here as well. So let us cancel this first. If I cancel 3, if I take borrow 1 from 3, it will give me 14, and here it will be 2. Okay, again I have to cancel this in order to give here a borrow. So I'm cancelling this. I'm deducting 1 from here. It will give me 13, and here it will make 15. Again I'm cancelling it and giving a borrow here and cancelling 1 from here, so it will give me 14. So I got a borrow over here. It makes 10. Again I have to cancel this, take out 1 from here, and it will make 12, and here it will be 9. I hope it is clear. Now simply we will subtract. So if I subtract 7 from 12, it will give me 5. Now if I subtract 3 from 9, it will give me 6. Just below the decimal, put a decimal. Now if I subtract 8 from 14, it will give me 6. Now if I subtract 5 from 13, it will give me 8. 0 from 2, it will give me 2. So the answer is 286.65 meter. Clear? Let us do one more sum. 300.1 gram minus 1.753 gram. So we will write obviously the bigger number. So it is 300.1, and the smaller number, first we will write the decimal and then see what is there in the right hand side. It is 753. Okay, it is 753, and on the left hand side it is 1 only. Now we will fill up what is where there is nothing. So we will fill here 0, here also 0, here 0, here 0. Now simply we have to borrow from 3 to all for all the numbers. I'm taking borrow. If I subtract 3, take out 1 from here, it will give me 2, and here it will be 1. So it makes 10. Again I need a borrow over here, so I'm deducting 1 from here. Borrowing 1, it will make 9, and here it will make 10. Again I need a borrow over here, so I'm deducting 10, taking out 1, and it will give you 9. So I'm getting 11 over here. Again I need borrow, so I'm cutting it. It will give you 10. Here 1, so it is making 10 again. Again I need a borrow over here, so I'm deducting 1 again. It will give you 9, and here finally I get 10. So if I deduct 3 from 10, it will give me 7. 5 from 9, it will give me 4. 7 from 10, it will give me 3. 1 from 9, it will give me 8. 0 from 9, it is going to give me 9 only. 0 from 2, it is going to give me 2 only. So the answer is 298.347 gram. Okay.